I got some really pretty jewelry from ChicSilver. I was a little skeptical at first because sometimes less expensive jewelry doesn't look as pretty. This jewelry by ChicSilver is really pretty. It comes in a cute little box. You have the little bag to keep your jewelry in. Honestly, I've seen jewelry packaged in this from very high-end jewelry stores where they come delivered because they don't want it scratching. And then you have a little cleaning cloth, which is great. But I think what we need to do is check out the jewelry. Like I said, totally shocked by the quality. It is so pretty, so sparkly. It really is a beautiful piece. So I'm going to throw this on, show you what it looks like. So I want to show you up close against the black. It's nicer to see it that way. Look at how sparkly that is. I mean, it's very pretty. It has a nice cut to it. Let's try it on. Okay, so here it is. It's on. I think it looks so pretty. Great piece of jewelry to have by ChicSilver.